Okay, there's Brody right there.
What you do, Tim? What you do?
We're going to show you how Brody attacks the refrigerator. Yeah. Okay.
Don't get him by the back right here. Let me get mine.
Okay. Yes.
Honey, what do you want?
Wait, you see their face? You see their face? Really?
What do you want, Brody? What do you want in the refrigerator?
Everything. Okay. Okay. There's the old man. Say there's the old man within me. Say I am the refrigerator attacker. What do we got there? See, I'm on camera. Oh, you like that sauce, don't you? That is great.
What do you want off this other shelf? You want something else?
Okay, ready? Attack!
The butter?
That's good. Let's see. Hot sauce. Sarah like hot sauce. Alright, ready? Let's go for attack number 2. Ready, set, attack. Wait, look at the refrigerator. Here we go. So I love everything. And now, Brody, now you know that you love food.